I Can Do Thing has become one of my favorite songs to play on the guitar and also to sing with clients. It's a great motivating song that I feel gives some positive affirmations to our clients and also lets them know that we believe in them. So I play this in the key of D, which is a different key than Stephanie does because I feel like it's easier to play with the tabs. So I make a D shape and play 4 of those, and then I move to a B/D chord, then I go to a G, then let's see, I have to do it again, B, B/B, G, open, and then slide this one up, again D, B/G, open, slide that, and you just play that vamping for quite a bit of the song. I'm gonna sing it. I'm taking a chance, trying something new, something I'm a little scared to do. Dust off my cape, stand a little taller, and already I'm feeling stronger. Ooh, 'cause I am brave. Ooh, and I am strong. Ooh, and I can do things even when they're hard. Well, sometimes that's just how life goes. So take a deep breath, keep moving ahead, one foot in front of the other, my friend. Ooh, 'cause I am brave. Ooh, and I am strong. Ooh, and I can do things even when they're hard. I believe in you. You believe in me, together we can do anything. I believe in you, you believe in me, together we can do anything. So on the second time, I am brave, I am, if our clients are old enough or if they need assistance, we give them a sheet that has affirmations, 1-word affirmations. They choose an affirmation and then they say what they are or what they'd like to do or be this week. So they might say, I am confident, and then let's see, I am, they say confident, I am, you are confident, I am, and you are friendly, I am nice, you are nice, I am awesome, you are awesome. So using the song to have them say or sing what they are, and then the therapist echoes that back and the group echoes it back with them, is how we've been doing it with a lot of our groups. And I feel it gives them a way to hear that affirmation projected back to them. Can be really empowering. So good luck with that song.